So welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to hide Roblox activities from friends. So what you need to do is for you to do that, you need to go to your Chrome browser. You open your Chrome browser. Sorry guys, it's not that far. Okay, let me just search it. Okay, this is it. Open your Chrome browser. When you open your Chrome browser, you need to go to roblox.com to find roblox.com. Then you log in. So once you go to your roblox.com on your desktop, you don't need to, I don't want to continue in app, I'm going to continue in browser. Once you click on continue in browser, what you need to do is log in. Okay, sorry, I'm going to log in. I'm going to put my password. Click on login. Alright, so this is it. So what you need to do is you are here now. So the next thing you need to do is click on your settings here. Once you click on your settings, once you click on your settings, just wait for it. So click on settings here. Once you click on settings, then you need to go to, let's wait for it. Okay, you can see social network flexibility. Do you see? Just click on no one. You can see I've clicked on no one. So this is no one, and then automatically I'm going to click on save, and this is it. Take successfully. It's very easy. Nobody is going to see my activities on Roblox. So guys, if you found this video interesting and helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video. Thank you guys.